Check out this 2007 Porsche Cayman. If you're looking for an automobile with great attributes, look no further. Get more for your money with this vehicle that features low mileage and dependability. Run all over town and back home again without worrying about filling up when driving this fuel-efficient ride. With a reliable 6-cylinder engine connected to a smooth shifting transmission, premium wheels lend a distinctive appearance. A premium sound system is just one of the benefits of owning this vehicle. The anti-lock braking system will keep you safe on the road. Heated seats make cold weather driving more endurable. Our website offers more information on all of our vehicles. Call us today to start test driving.